Yo, what's up, everybody? Coming at you live, or well, not really live, but you know what I mean. Listen, we're all about to embark on a journey here, a journey for knowledge, for travel hacks that will change the way you think about packing, navigating, and just generally existing as a traveler in this crazy, beautiful world. Are you ready? Because I am so freaking ready to break this down for you. Welcome to Dream Destinations, ready to make your next trip smoother, more enjoyable, and hassle-free. Here are 5 essential travel life hacks that every adventurer should know. Let's jump right in. All right, first up, we're tackling the age-old question to fold or to roll. Personally, I'm team roll all the way. Folding might seem intuitive, but trust me, rolling your clothes is a game changer. It's like origami for your suitcase, maximizing space and minimizing those pesky wrinkles. Think about it. When you fold clothes, you're creating these bulky squares that just take up unnecessary room. But when you roll them, they become these compact little cylinders that fit snugly together. You can literally fit twice the amount of clothes in the same space. Look, I used to be a chronic overpacker. I'd bring my entire wardrobe for a weekend trip, but then I discovered the magic of rolling, and now I can pack for a week in a carry-on, no joke. Plus, it helps prevent wrinkles. Nobody wants to spend their vacation ironing. So next time you're packing, ditch the folding board and embrace the roll. Your suitcase will thank you. Okay, hack number 2 is going to revolutionize the way you organize your luggage. I'm talking about these amazing organizers. These little fabric squares are like magic organizers for your suitcase. Imagine this. No more digging through a bottomless pit of clothes to find your lucky socks. With these organizers, everything has its place. You can designate one for shirts, another for pants, one for underwear. You get the idea. It's like having a mini dresser inside your suitcase. You can even get different sizes and colors to really step up your organization game. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back. It's like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. No more travel-induced packing anxiety, just pure, organized bliss. Plus, it makes unpacking a breeze. Just grab the cubes you need and toss them in the drawers. Boom, done. More time for exploring, less time for stressing. All right, let's talk about the lifeblood of the modern traveler battery life. We rely on our phones for everything these days, navigation, communication, capturing memories. But what happens when your battery dies in the middle of nowhere? Disaster, that's what. That's why a portable charger is non-negotiable. It's like having a lifeline for your phone. You can top up your battery on the go, whether you're trekking through the mountains or wandering through a bustling city. I always make sure mine is fully charged before I leave my hotel or Airbnb. It's just become second nature, and let me tell you, it has saved me from some serious travel headaches. Remember that time I got lost in the back streets with a dead phone? Yeah, not my finest moment. Don't be like me. Get yourself a portable charger. We're talking about passports, visas, driver's licenses, anything important. Losing these documents while traveling is a nightmare scenario, but here's the thing, it's so easily avoidable. Before you even think about packing your bags, scan all your important documents and email them to yourself and a trusted friend or family member. This way you'll have access to them no matter what happens to your physical copies. Think of it as an insurance policy for your peace of mind. It takes 5 minutes, but it could save you hours, if not days, of stress and hassle if anything goes wrong. Okay, last hack, but certainly not least, we're talking about offline maps. Look, we all love a good Wi-Fi connection, but let's be real, it's not always reliable, especially when you're traveling. And there's nothing worse than being lost in a foreign country with no way to navigate. That's where offline maps come in. Before you leave your hotel or Airbnb, open up your map app, type in your destination, and then download the map for offline use. It's that simple. Now you can access directions, find nearby restaurants, and explore with confidence, even if your phone is in airplane mode. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket. There you have it. 5 travel hacks that will completely upgrade your travel game. These are the tips and tricks that I've learned from years of being on the road, and believe me, they make all the difference. So, pack those bags, embrace the adventure, and go explore this amazing world. And hey, if you found these hacks helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, peace out. And there you have it. 5 essential travel hacks to make your next adventure a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.